What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how illegal immigrants in South Africa are trying hard to build their own electricity. So as you can see, all the wire and all the transformer or all these rough connection here you are seeing on the screen is owned and created by illegal immigrants. So what these guys are actually doing is they are building their own electricity and their own connection to tap South African lights and bypass South African bills payment. So that is what is going on. So as you can see, they have been arresting them one by one. You can see police all over the area trying to arrest these illegal immigrants, and they arrest few of them. I know they are going to get the rest of them, so they are going to get them arrested. So I will let you guys to watch the video and drop your own opinion in the comment section. Peace up.
Good afternoon. My name is Isaac Mangena. I'm the general manager responsible for public relations at City Power. City Power is part of the mayoral inner city rejuvenation program. It's led by the CEO of City Power, Ms. Chifularo Mashava, and the executive. We've pulled all the teams to basically ensure that this is a success in terms of the service that we render, which is the supply of electricity. So we are here dealing with issues around the lights that are not working, the street lights that are not working, illegal connections. We're cleaning out all those people that have bypassed our meters. So we're doing the audit, the complete overhaul of our network, so that we make sure that every person, every illegality that might be happening within the city is fixed or dealt with. But also the fact that some of the lights that are not working, so that they are able to work. So in that, we are also dealing with some of the vandalized lights that we are seeing as we go, where our street light covers have been stolen, where the cables have also been stolen, where the fittings also have been stolen within the city. So we have been replacing since the operation started, and we will continue to do so as City Power to ensure that everything that we have to do to ensure that the lights are on within the city, we basically do that. We're also taking out the old lights and replacing them with the LED lights. These are energy efficient lights that City Power is introducing to ensure that we also comply with some of the national energy aims around this issue. So we will continue to be part of this operation, as mentioned, that led by the CEO, and we'll continue to ensure that our teams are spread across the inner city region and other areas to ensure that this is a success.